Hi friends, I'm Ellie and welcome back to Tech Tricks channel. Page numbering is a handy feature that makes your document more organized and readable. But you will have to start page numbering from a specific page in many situations. Today I will show you how to start page numbering from any page you want in Google Docs. Let's see. I have this article and I want to add the page number in the footer. I need page 1 and page 2. I want it to be numbered again from number 1. Let's see how to do this. To add a page number to the document in Google Docs, I should go to the Insert tab and then Page Numbering right under the Headers and Footers option. I can choose any of these options or go to the More options and create Custom Page Numbering. I choose this one, which starts the page numbering from the first page. As you can see, the page number is added to the first page footer and incrementally for each page. Alright, I click outside the footer. Now in this situation, I want to start page numbering again from page 1 and page 3. For this purpose, I should place the cursor at the end of the page 2. It's time to section break the page, so I go to the Insert tab, down here, Break, and then Section Break, next page. I have successfully added a section break to my document. Page 3 will be in the next section. As you can see, the page number is still 3. To change it to 1, I should double-click on the footer position to activate it. Now I should first uncheck the link to previous option. Then I click on Options and choose Page Numbers. This pop-up window will open. As you can see, this page numbering will apply to this section, which is section 2. The position is the footer. Show the number on the first page. Okay, the key point is here. I should check the start and page number 1. Then apply. Okay, the page numbering is finished. I have pages 1 and 2 in section 1 and again page 1 in section 2. So that's how you can start page numbering from a specific page in Google Docs. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the thumbs up and do subscribe in case you're not subscribed yet. You can watch the playlist of Google Docs for more valuable videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good time.